Hey, Mission family. All right, we got another week passed here at the building. Have a lot of big updates. If you want to come over here, we can see kind of what we've done. So clearly, a lot of drywall is going up. The biggest thing is we passed our framing rough-in inspection, and we passed our plumbing rough-in and top-out inspection. And so now we're able to keep moving forward with all of that work. So in here, I don't know if you remember, but we've had these big holes in the floor for the last month or so. And the guys are here now filling up these holes with the backfill dirt, and then they're gonna put concrete today as well. So we will actually start tiling in here on Monday. We have insulated the bathroom walls. We've insulated the sanctuary walls. The drywall will go up in here today. And that's gonna allow us to, set the tile where it needs to go. Electricians are actually here right now working on all of the sanctuary lighting and electrical outlets. And then the drywall guys will be here later today. So we're making a lot of good progress. Noah is actually over here. You might have seen him already, just insulating this last little section of the sanctuary wall. Thank you guys for continuing to pray for us. We've passed some big hurdles already, and so we're kind of headed towards the home stretch. There's still a lot of work to do. We have to not only finish drywalling, but then paint all of these walls in here. All of the electrical and lighting still has to get hung. The ceilings all have to go in these rooms. But as long as I can, stay on top of the contractors and keep everybody here working, then we're gonna make progress quickly. So stay tuned for more next week.